guys, it is here. Mooncat has officially launched the Nightmare Before Christmas collection, and I couldn't be more excited to share with you all of the swatches, all of the specifications, all of the details about this collab collection, because you know, if you've been around me any length of time, two things are for sure. Number one, I love Mooncat, the formula, the bottles, the brushes, the colors, and the concepts they come up with. Incredible, okay? And number two, I love Night Before Christmas. So for them to collab with Disney once again and feature one of my favorite movies of all time, I'm obsessed. I'm so excited. So I will be sharing with you swatches just as I normally do on my natural nails. I'm actually wearing some right now. And also on the artificial nails, since they kind of give off a different cast and you can see the different lighting and everything with the nails. And I will also show you the glow in the dark effect that some of these nail polishes offer, because of the 6 shades that they're featuring, 3 are glow in the dark. So freaking fun. I love glow in the dark. I am a sucker for glow in the dark. Okay, so we'll go over that. And after my swatches, I'll talk reviews, talk my favorites, all of those things, and I want to know what your favorite is. So as I'm swatching these, please scream it from the rooftops. Tell me in the comments which one has your eye, or are you just going to go ahead and get the whole collection? I do want to mention really quickly that I just saw them commenting on a couple of their posts that their lacquers are supposed to be throughout the season, so you should be able to get your hands on them, but the collection is a one and done. So they're just going to release what they have right now, and the possibility of restocking is non-existent. They probably will not be restocking the entire collector's box set that you see right here. So keep that in mind, as well as they usually do a sale later on this year around Black Friday. They said that this won't be discounted if the sale, you know, if they still have stock during that sale. The Disney stuff won't be discounted. So keep that in mind too. Basically, if you want it, you might as well get it now, getting while the getting's good, before it sells out. Not to cause pandemonium and chaos, but if you're like me and you love Mooncat and you love Nightmare Before Christmas, oh my goodness. It's just a match made in heaven, or Halloween Town, if you will. But before we begin, please consider subscribing to little old me over here on YouTube. That way you get notified when I post more beauty videos, nail videos, even book and fantasy related videos, because I do all those things over here on the tube, and I'd love to have you join me. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at ashleyellix for some extended content. But without further ado, let's jump into this box. Let's show you the swatches, and let's go, boo. Boop. Okay, let's talk about it, guys. Now that you got a chance to mull it over, please let me know in the comments which polish has your eye, like which one has your heart right off the gate. It's hard. It's hard to pick, I gotta say. But since I'm such a sucker for glow, I am obsessed with What a Brilliant knows because the glow is incredible. I tried my best to pick it up on camera, but just know that in person, the glow factor is much brighter. Like it's even more intense and it is amazing. I did notice something to notice with these glow ones is I tried boosting the, what is it called? I tried charging the glow with my phone light and for some reason it didn't work that well. It was more subtle, but these like big soft boxes I have are just regular lights and wow, they glowed, they went, it was out of this world. So just keep that in mind. If you're having trouble with anything that you charge, now that I think about it, maybe the phone light isn't as strong, maybe a regular flashlight or putting it up to your lights. And they did say in this little card here that came with my set that, was it there? No, I saw somewhere. So they posted something about the LED lighting not being strong enough for glow in the dark. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. You can still get a glow with the other two. It's just not gonna be intense. It's kind of like a strong, a medium, and a light glow, if that helps. And I did really like layering What a Brilliant knows onto the white. That's actually what's on my nails right now, and it did help it glow too. But you can do those 3 coats and it will be fine. So you don't have to do the white. It's just the options. I think it'd be really cool over a lime green shade too. I've done that with some other brands. With that said too, this glow one, it is glittery. It is, you know, shimmery. I've used the plain glow ones from Holo Taco and from Orly. They don't have any glitters or anything. They're just a glow polish. I feel like this Mooncat was even stronger. So keep that in mind. Those ones are pretty good too, but this one, like, I was blown away with just how intense it was. And then of the 3 like colorful metallic shades, honestly, my gut is screaming Pumpkin King. That was the first one I picked when I was doing my manicure last night after doing swatches. I'm like, I gotta put that on my nails because the way it has so many glitter flecks in it and it gives off like this rainbow glitter look is so freaking cool and so fun. I am just obsessed with however she came up with this formula. It is incredible. It is amazing. I can't stop looking at it, especially out in the sun. So pretty. The brush, that little detailing brush, perfect timing because I was just thinking I needed to get one, and the way it's retractable, I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so cute. It's so perfect. And I actually used it while doing these swatches and it worked out so nicely. It just like pop, ding, there you go. The nail file, fantastic. It's a great, I love a crystal file and we love a good theme here. So it's so cute. I just love the way that Mooncat is able to do these collabs, but still keep it like fun and tasteful and personalized. The way they did the little cats on the glass bottles to represent Mooncat, but then still pay homage to Nightmare Before Christmas. I love it. Like they think of everything. I just love that. It is so fun. Like every little detail. You got the tombstones right here in the box. Like such a fun box. And I mentioned this in my Holo Taco video is like, I like when collections are displayable. They're not overwhelmingly gigantic. They serve a purpose and it's just petite and slim enough that it doesn't feel weird. Look at even the sides right there. That is so fun. So even if I want to put it like this, like, and put some candles on top, well, I don't know if that's safe, but whatever, like put some stuff on top of it. That would be so cute. Like almost like a tray. I love that. I love that. That was so much fun. I'm having so much fun playing around with these and I cannot wait. This weekend, I'm going to create some fun, longer artificial nail extensions to wear for the next week or so. So make sure to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok so I can show you what that manicure looks like. Make sure you subscribe though so you don't miss out on future beauty videos from me. I appreciate it so much. And thank you for coming again and watching my nail videos. If there are any more nail videos that you want to see from me, I have a playlist that I'll pop up on the screen right now. You can start checking those out and watching some of those. Thank you so much for stopping by today and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.